workshops being held. We wanted to sensitize practitioners for the need for more constructive coverage.
I finally got back into journaling.
Für eine Tabelle, also das hatten wir vorhin auch schon besprochen, dass Sie ja quasi in die Überschrift schreiben, wo Sie
I just got back from my theater course. It's like an improvisation course and it's so much fun. It's now 10:15. So exhausted, but it was so much fun. I love it so much. I have to pack now because I'm driving back home tomorrow. I also have a few more to-dos I need to do, or like at least do a little bit for. But yes, first of all, packing though. Let's get it. Okay, now I'm gonna finish packing tomorrow. I'm too tired and I need so much stuff tomorrow anyway, so since I'm already here and talking to the camera, I can talk a bit in person about my week so far. So where are my books? Oh. I've been really getting back into reading again. Like okay, let's start with this one. I don't really feel like I want to read. Like, I feel like it's a nice brain food, if it makes sense, because it's just small essays, so it's not really something I want to get back to immediately, you know? Yeah, but I still want to read it and finish it. But as for this one, the acting book, it also has like this captivating story of how they, I don't know how to sum up the story, but like it's basically this teacher is in a teaching room or like in a theater group, and each chapter is like a different theme, a different method in a way, and it's just how the group progresses and how they change and the exercises and all. It's really interesting and I love taking notes with it. But especially with this one though, I really like, it made me fall in love with reading again. Like, if I can say that from just a few days, it just keeps me captivated and keeps me thinking about the story throughout the day. Like, I know the story, I've watched the movie Pride and Prejudice, but the book is a bit, we see more from Darcy's side, I feel like, what he really intends to do and not just what we see what he does. And I really like that about the book, so I keep wanting to come back to it. I didn't have too much time to read too much yet, but that's all I wanted, like, to get back into this love for reading again. And I think I am getting there. Hopefully I'll get to read more of it this weekend. Okay, anyway, I feel so happy right now. Yay. Anyways, I also like, I hope you like this vlog style. It's so much fun to film and I have so much fun editing. It's really, I'm in flow when I'm editing. It's so cool, I love it. So I hope you also like these vlogs because I really intend to do them weekly, and I hope I can pull through with making them weekly because it's so much fun and it's like a little diary of like, of course, the highlight moments of my week, because I won't film myself just doing boring stuff or like doing nothing or feeling bad, like not bad enough to talk about it, or like, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just happy right now. I've been wanting to do YouTube more seriously for a long time, but I've never really gotten to do it, and just randomly I started filming my cats last week, and I decided to make weekly vlogs now, so that's nice. I also bought a microphone for voiceovers, which is so cool. Yeah, I don't know. You know, thank you for watching, for being a wonderful human being, and I hope you feel love today. Feel my love to you. Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye.
That's a magic number.
Snow! Snowy! Okay, let's do a little recap of the week. I did not finish any of the books, but I did read a lot more than I would usually do. And I did read quite a bit, and as for Pride and Prejudice, I really loved reading it. It was really, really nice. And this unacting book was also really nice again to read more of, and I hope I'm gonna read more again in the next few weeks. So yeah. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of getting back into reading again this week, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.